Hey guys, this is Matthew from Crypto Traders Pro. Today I'm going to be giving you my 2 favorite cryptocurrency picks in Q3 2018. Now, before we jump into this video, I want to let you know that I am not a registered financial advisor. Anything I say is for educational purposes only. I do hold positions in both of these coins that I'm going to be talking about, but I will be providing you with an honest and fair analysis on why these are my 2 favorite picks going into the next quarter of this year. So let's jump right in with the first one, Basic Attention Token. If you guys have been in the crypto traders community on Facebook, YouTube, following me on Twitter, you would know that I am a big fan and advocate of Basic Attention Token, and I have been for almost a year now. The Basic Attention Token runs side by side with the Brave browser. If you guys aren't using the Brave browser, check the link in the description below and earn a free $5 in BAT for signing up and downloading it. So let's go through the timeline of BAT and why this has been such a successful project so far and why it's going to continue to succeed throughout the next quarter and in the years to come. So Brave launched in 2016. So beginning of 2016, the Brave browser launched. The goal of the Brave browser is first, privacy, second, no ads. So they're trying to get rid of all the ads that you see unless you're opting in to see them yourself. They're also focused on privacy, so they aren't tracking you and giving away all your data. They're also focused on rewarding you for using their browser. Now, a year after Brave was launched, they quickly gained 250,000 monthly users. An active monthly user is somebody that logs onto the Brave browser at least once during that month and uses it. Going up through 2017, about halfway through the year, they doubled their monthly users to 500,000. So this was right after the ICO, which was in May 2017, where they raised $36 million in less than 30 seconds. So the token sale was over shortly after it started. So going through the timeline of 2017, BAT did get integrated into Brave. So if you have the Brave browser downloaded, you're able to deposit BAT into your Brave browser, and you're also able to contribute to the network. Right now, I use the Brave browser on my laptop every single day. I contribute 15 BAT to the network per month. So it automatically takes 15 BAT out of my account. It's maybe $3 a month, and this rewards all the sites that I visited over the past 30 days or however long it's set for. This is a totally optional feature, but it does support the network and it supports the publishers of the content that I watch regularly. So by the end of 2017, Brave reached 1 million active users. So it took about 1 year to go from 250,000 monthly users to 1 million users. Then they launched the Brave referral program, and this is what I was talking about. So if you do want to download the Brave browser, do so in the link below, and you're going to get free $5 of BAT in your account just for simply downloading and starting to use the browser. You could download the Brave browser on your iPhone, Android, or desktop or laptop. It doesn't matter, they're out there on every single platform. So by March 2018, the Brave browser reached 2 million monthly users, 6 times growth over the previous 12 months. So they started really growing fast earlier this year. They announced some partnerships with the Dow Jones Media Group. They partnered with some big YouTubers, Town Square Media, and then they reached 2.4 monthly active users, and this was in May. So probably right now they're about 2.5 million. Now that it's the end of June, so now we're headed into Q3 2018. If you aren't familiar with what that is, that's quarter 3. That's the 3rd quarter of this year, going from June to September, somewhere around there. So it's the next 3 months. So what's in store for the months to come? Well, on June 19th, this was last week, a couple weeks ago, Brave launched the user trials opt-in ads that reward viewers. So in June, they're going to be doing opt-in tests with a select group of users and collect insight about their experience. The test will serve to analyze user interactions in a new way they deliver ads. Around 250 prepackaged ads will be rotated during the trial, and users will be given a special version of the Brave browser loaded with those ads. So I did opt in for this trial. There was a ton of people that opted in for this, and you're going to get paid simply for watching ads and opting in to view them. So if you're reading an article that was published by, let's say, Cointelegraph, then you're going to see an ad and you could opt in to see that, and you're going to get paid a little bit of BAT simply for having this enabled on your Brave browser. So what I'm really excited for in Q3 2018, this next couple months, they're going to be offering this to everybody. They're going to fully launch the ads program. So right now it's the beta, but they're going to be fully launching the ads program, so everybody is going to be able to earn using the Brave browser and watching ads. So I thought this was really cool. I'm really excited for this, and I think this is going to be a catalyst for a nice big spike in BAT. It gives it a true utility, and as we always say, utility drives value. There is no other browser on the web right now where you could get paid simply for using it and browsing the web. Another update that they brought us the other day was they're introducing the beta of private tabs with Tor for enhanced privacy while browsing. If you guys are not familiar with Tor, Tor is a browser that you use to access the dark web or the dark net. If you've never been on the dark web or the dark net, that's fine. You have to do it through the Tor browser though. So with the Tor browser, it does block your IP. So if you're not using a VPN to hide your IP address, which again I recommend, here's my NordVPN right here. Very easy to use. It's about $5 a month. I do recommend using Nord or some type of VPN to mask your IP when you're online. But if you don't, you could use Tor, which is also now integrated with BAT, and this is going to mask your IP address and your ISP. So these are two big pluses for the Brave browser to finally be integrated with Tor to really give you that privacy that everybody deserves when browsing the internet. So taking it over to the charts here, we got BAT pulled up, and right now it appears to be making a higher low on the charts. So this is telling me that it's now starting to trend upwards, and we could see another run start to happen. What I'm noticing is here, the first low was around 3,000 Satoshis. This was in the middle of June. Then it had a big run all the way up to 4,800 Satoshis, came back down, and now it's making a higher low. So it's telling me, okay, now the trend is starting to shift upwards again. It really got beat up over the course of May and June, much like every other cryptocurrency out there, and now it's starting to turn around. And it's telling me, okay, now looks like a prime buying opportunity as long as it's able to hold this support area around 3,400 Satoshis. So I did draw out some resistance line here as well. There's going to be some resistance around 4,200 Satoshis as well as 4,700 Satoshis and all the way up here at about 5,800, 5,000 Satoshis. So looking at the Bittrex chart, one thing I do notice about BAT is that it is always, or it has consistently gotten held up here around this between 5,800 and 6,500 Satoshis area. So every time it's gotten near this zone, it's coming down. It's come down in price pretty significantly too. This has given us plenty of time to accumulate if you're looking to hold this long term. This is a project I've been in for almost a year now. I've been holding it long term and just adding to my position because I believe this is going to be a big winner over time, especially as more people start adopting the Brave browser and more people start to use basic attention token. So this is my pick number one for Q3 2018. What we have to look forward to is the full version of BAT ads to get rolled out. You're going to get paid to simply browse the web and opt in to view ads. What I also like about this pick is I think BAT is the #1 Coinbase contender to get added to Coinbase. We saw Coinbase recently roll out Ethereum Classic. They're going to be allowing trade for that. Coinbase recently switched from GDAX to Coinbase Pro, so they're really getting ready to start adding additional assets to their platform. Coinbase has outright told us that they're going to be planning on adding ERC20 tokens, and BAT is one of the top ERC20 tokens out there. The Brave headquarters is also located very close to the Coinbase headquarters. Maybe that means something, maybe it doesn't, but I think that partnership is going to come to life very soon. BAT has also announced that they're going to be adding new partnerships. Right now, they're only partnered with Uphold. So if you want to purchase your BAT with fiat, with your USD, then you have to go through uphold.com. But they have said they're going to be adding new partners very soon, and I think Coinbase is going to be one of them. So that's a secret tip. I do think this is going to get added to Coinbase. It may or may not, but I'm very confident in this prediction. So keep an eye on this for Q3 2018. Let's go to the next one. My second favorite pick for Q3 2018 is going to be Enigma. If you guys don't know anything about Enigma, I'm going to give you a brief overview now, but we also interviewed their marketing manager, Tor Bear, on our episode of Coincast that we did, I think, in March. So you guys can go check that out as well. It'll be somewhere in this video to go check that out. We did an interview with them. They're very intelligent, full of MIT grads. These guys have IQs that are through the roof, very smart guys, and I really think this team is going to be executing on all they're setting out to deliver, and they've been proving it over and over again. Enigma is looking to fix two major issues with the blockchain technology. That would be privacy and scalability. Right now it's running off the Ethereum platform, but eventually they're going to be looking to get onto their own platform and run on their own blockchain. The way they're going to be doing this is implementing secret contracts where input data is kept hidden from nodes in the Enigma network that execute the code. So let's break down Enigma right now. Earlier this month, about 10 days ago, they announced a partnership with Intel. Now, we've seen a lot of partnerships come to fruition in the last few months of cryptocurrency, but a lot of them are just hype. Like we saw Verge partnership with Pornhub and Tron partnership with Pornhub. Now we see some of these partnerships and we kind of just laugh at them. Maybe they do get some extra users there, but I don't think that's as big as partnering with someone like Intel, who's a top brand in the technology sector. So Enigma did partner with Intel this month, and they're going to be using the Intel SGX to protect data while allowing for computation over the data as part of a scalable, secure solution. So Intel gave a big shout out for Enigma. We saw the price skyrocket. It was short-lived. The hype kind of died down because we are still in a bear market. Any good news that we see is kind of glazed over because Bitcoin has been really hurting on the charts recently. But this is a big partnership, and this is big news that came out. So the Enigma company is collaborating with Intel on research and development efforts to advance development of privacy-preserving computation technologies using Intel SGX. So they're actually going to be using the technology given by Intel to further develop their platform and protocol. So this is big news. I was really excited for this because Enigma is something I've been following for quite some time now, ever since it was launched again last year. They kind of had some bumps and bruises along the way with their ICO, but they have shown themselves to be a real serious contender out there. Another release that we actually just got today was they're announcing their testnet 1.0 release. So they're very much in their infancy here, but they did meet their deadline. So they actually said last year in their roadmap they're going to be launching the testnet by the end of Q2 2018. And the end of Q2 happened to be today, and they came through and launched their testnet. They said, we're very excited to announce the immediate launch of Enigma's initial testnet. Again, this is very much in the infancy. They said, Enigma is committed to transparency and openness at every phase, and we will work actively with our developer community to tackle these problems and create better solutions. So I'm really happy for them that they came through with the roadmap. They actually met their deadline and said what they were going to do, and they followed through. That develops more trust with the community, and that tells us they're serious in developing this technology. So this was two big announcements that came in June, but the price hasn't been much reflected. Heading over here to the charts, it's been a lot of sideways action. There hasn't been much going on with Enigma. So this is what I'm looking to accumulate on the dips. One of the big reasons I'm excited for Q3 and Enigma is that they're going to be launching, or at least giving us some more details on the Masternodes. A lot of people talk about Masternodes and they want to run a Masternode. What a Masternode is you're running a node on your computer that contributes to the network. So you're going to be earning Enigma tokens for verifying transactions of the blockchain and contributing to the network. There's not much information out there on Masternodes right now with Enigma, but they did say in Q3 they're going to be giving us some more information, which is going to be in the next 3 months. So looking at Enigma's roadmap here, they actually have their mainnet that's going to be launching in Q3 too. So again, here was the testnet in 2018, and this says Q3 mainnet of the first discovery phase. So there's actually 4 different phases to Enigma. Right now they're in the discovery phase. So this is phase number 1, and they're about to be launching their mainnet in Q3 2018. Then in Q19 they have Voyager, which is Secret Contracts 2.0, DApp Independence and Scalability. They have the testnet and the mainnet. Then they have Valiant in 2019 as well. Mainnet, or testnet and mainnet, and then by 2020 they're going to be doing Defiant. So they really have a long roadmap, and so far they've been delivering on everything they've set out for. So the reason this is on my list as one of the top 2 picks to be watching in Q3 2018, because their mainnet is going to be launching and we're finally going to get some more information about their Masternode program. Hopefully we're able to launch our own Masternodes and start earning Enigma and contributing to the network. So if you want to read more about Enigma, you can go over to their blog here. They did a nice little write-up on decentralizing credit with Enigma. This is one of the sectors that Enigma is really going after with data privacy, is the credit sector. So using Equifax, Credit Union, Experian, TransUnion, whatever you run your credit card with, they have so much information about you, it is scary. And it's all public records that everybody has access to this information. So with Enigma's secret contracts, they're looking to kind of mask and hide your secure information that shouldn't be out in the public. And they're able to provide people with the information they need about you without actually revealing that information. So it might be a little confusing to you, but I suggest you read up on this. This is a very cool project, and I think it's going to be a big winner in the years to come. So if I was looking at the chart on Enigma to take an entry, I would be looking to get in as close to 20,000 Satoshis as possible. Right now it's at about $1.40, so it's a fairly cheap token. It's not as cheap as basic attention token, but it is on the cheaper side. A lot of people have been speculating that you're going to need between 5,000 and 10,000, maybe up to 25,000 to run a masternode for Enigma. If I had to guess, I would guess about 10,000 based on other masternodes that are out there right now. So these are two projects you want to watch, Basic Attention Token and Enigma. These are my two favorite projects for this next upcoming quarter. I think these are going to perform very well with the news happening over the next few months. So keep an eye on BAT, keep an eye on Enigma. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, let me know that you were here. It really helps this video get around and lets me know that you guys enjoy me making this content for you. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We're going to be doing more videos every single day. Join our Facebook community. You could find us on Twitter, Medium, and CryptoTradersPro.com. My name is Matthew with Crypto Traders Pro, and we'll see you on the moon.